Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have this elegant microfiber duvet cover set. This one is in the California King. Alright, so right here we have the duvet cover set. This one is in the California King, which the sizes of this is 104 inch by 98 inch. So you get two standard pillowcases. Those are a 20 inch by 36 inch. This one is in the gray color. So let's go ahead and dive in and open it up. You can see first off it's a really nice color. So let's open this up. And first off impression by touching this is very soft. This is made of high quality ultra durable soft microfiber. So it's very nice. It's really soft to the touch. So you do get a little instructions manual, which this shows you how to put on a duvet cover in two easy methods. You have the California roll method and you also have the traditional method. It takes you step by step 1 through 5 how to do the California method and 1 through 5 with doing the traditional method. So this is by Rose. So you can see the quality right here is very nice. The stitching is fantastic. It is soft to the touch. You do get the duvet for your comforter. You also get two pillow shams. So these right here are the two pillow shams. They're a little bit big because this is the California King size. They come in different sizes, different colors. So I picked the gray and the California King because I have a California King. As you can see, the stitching, this is very nice. It's so soft to the touch. I cannot believe how soft this is. This duvet comes with 8 ties to help keep your comforter in place. You can see the stitching is really nice. This is machine washable in cold water. You can tumble dry at low heat. Do not use bleach or you will ruin your set. And you can use a cool iron when needed. Easily remove the pet hair. I would suggest using with a vacuum. So right here is the pillowcase sham. You can see it's really nice. It's so soft. I cannot believe how soft this is. So we're going to go ahead and put this on my bed. So now that we got my comforter inside this duvet, it is installed on my bed. This is the California King size. It goes all the way up to the head of the bed as well as the bottom of the foot of the bed. And then we have our two standard pillow shams, which is the California King. You can see it's a nice glistening reflective color. It looks really shiny. So this is what it looks like on my bed. It looks just like a sheet, but it's not. This is the duvet. It's got my comforter inside. And then you can see the two pillow shams right there. So this is what this duvet looks like in the California King